Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W portable vertical wind turbine generator kit presents an intriguing solution for those interested in harnessing wind energy. This wind turbine features a 3-blade design, which is engineered to optimize efficiency and energy capture in varying wind conditions. Its portable nature makes it particularly appealing for individuals and small businesses looking to supplement their energy sources sustainably. The kit includes all the essential components required for installation, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. The vertical design of the turbine is a notable aspect, as it allows for operation in turbulent wind conditions, which is especially beneficial in urban or confined areas where traditional horizontal axis turbines might struggle. This design also enhances safety, as the turbine is less susceptible to damage from strong winds compared to its horizontal counterparts. One of the standout features of this wind turbine is its impressive 18,000 watts of power generation capacity. This output can be particularly useful for powering a variety of applications, from residential use to small commercial setups. Additionally, the 3-blade configuration is designed to minimize noise and vibration during operation, which can contribute to a more pleasant environment for users and neighbors alike. When it comes to usage, the installation process is straightforward, although careful attention to the provided instructions is encouraged to ensure optimal performance. The turbine can be mounted on various structures or stands, depending on the specific needs of the user. Once operational, it can effectively convert wind energy into usable electrical power, which can be stored in batteries or utilized directly for appliances. In summary, the 18,000W portable vertical wind turbine generator kit offers an innovative approach to renewable energy generation. Its vertical design, significant power output, and portability make it a notable choice for those looking to explore wind energy solutions. Whether for personal use or as part of a larger sustainability initiative, this wind turbine kit represents a step towards cleaner energy alternatives. As with any energy solution, potential users should assess their specific needs, environmental conditions, and local regulations to ensure the turbine aligns well with their energy goals.